What's up, guys? Today we're going to be answering the question, are your roof inspections free? And the answer to that question is absolutely 100%, no obligation, no hassle, free. F-E-R. I can't spell, but they're free. Guys, it doesn't matter if you're a homeowner, you owe it to yourself to get your roof inspected. Whether you are selling your home, whether you've been there for 5 years or a bad storm blew past, it doesn't matter. We recommend every 2 to 3 years that you have your roof inspected. It's a huge investment, your home, and the last thing you want to do is not get the one thing that shelters everything inspected. Just like you take yourself to the doctor, you take your vehicle to get an oil change, you want to take your roof, in this case, you want to call a contractor to come inspect it and tell you what's going on, checking out your roof. So when we come to your property, what we're going to do is we're going to check out the entire roof, starting from the ground. We're going to do a perimeter check. We're going to walk up on the roof, do a physical hands-on inspection of your roof, and then we're going to take it to the skies with our drones to bring the roof down to you, giving you a bird's eye view exactly what's going on up there. We're going to highlight all the problematic areas, whether it's hail damage, wind damage from debris, fallen debris, if you got out, trees and tree branches, or just the heat and the sunlight alone can actually cause damage. There's so much going on up on your roof that you down in the ground, it's impossible to know without getting up on the roof. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna highlight everything and bring it down to you and show you in a digital analysis with a full-blown photo report of exactly what's going on your roof. Guys, it's highly important. The last thing you wanna do is wait till you see water coming in and it's too late. Then you have roof damage, you have attic space with your insulation damage, you have your drywall damage, you have your paint damage, your beautiful new furniture damage, not to mention if you got one of those PlayStations, I mean, it goes on and on. So what you wanna have done is a full roof inspection by a reputable contractor that's gonna do a checklist, checking line item by line item every component on your roof. It's not as simple as getting up there, taking a look around and seeing what's going on. You actually get down, get dirty, and see what's happening up there. If there's anything going on that shouldn't be going on, we highlight that as well and let you know what's going on. We give you a full report of your roof, and all that for the big whopping price of nothing. Yeah, it's that simple, guys. You as a homeowner, you want to feel good knowing your house, your home, where you sleep at night is well protected, and it all starts with the roof, guys. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to reach out, schedule an appointment for a roof inspection, and we'll take it from there. We'll let you know what's going on up there, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, whether it's, hey, your roof is good, or we got some areas of concern that we need to address immediately. We're going to help you out. Guys, comment down below. Let us know what you thought about it. Let us know what you've come across on your roof inspections. And let's see what we got going on. Guys, smash that like button if you enjoyed and gained something out of this video. And I encourage you to hit that subscribe button if you would like to learn more valuable contact with and all about roofing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.